Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some exciting tips to help you legally reduce your electricity bills. Let's dive right in. First up, let's understand the basics. Electricity is billed based on wattage and usage time. For example, if you use a 1000 watt appliance for 100 hours, that's 100 units. If each unit costs Rs 10, your total cost is Rs 1000. Now let's talk about your everyday appliances. Did you know that running a refrigerator can cost you thousands per year? Or that leaving your TV on standby still uses power? Understanding how much each appliance costs to run can really help you cut down your bills. Method 1. Load calculation. It's crucial to know your home's total energy consumption. Calculate the wattage of each appliance and add them up. This helps you identify which devices are energy hogs and where you can save. Method 2. Power factor correction. Now this one's a bit technical. Power factor is the ratio of active power to apparent power. A low power factor means you're wasting energy. Using capacitors can improve your power factor and lower your bills. But, and this is important, consult a qualified electrician for this. Don't try it yourself. And finally, method 3. Bypassing the electricity meter. Just kidding. That's illegal and comes with heavy penalties. Always stick to legal methods. So to recap, understand your appliance usage, calculate your home's load, and consider improving your power factor with professional help. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving advice. See you next time.